Hey, what's going on? My name is Paul Farmer. You're on my channel, my YouTube channel. What I'm going to be talking about today is Home Business Academy and how you can actually get access to elite performers like live coaching daily for free for actually 2 weeks. If you want to know more about Home Business Academy, just go to my channel. I have a playlist right here. You can just go through. I've been recording a number of videos about it. Fantastic company. Been with them almost 3 years now, and it's been amazing. All right, so one of the things that I heard the other day, and I'll just go over here. I was listening to a former Major League Baseball player, two-time All-Star, peak performance coach, Shea Hellenbrand, and one of the things he was talking about was the power of getting around elite performers. So, if you want to get around elite performers, or if you do get around elite performers, your production just by getting around them is going to increase by 15%. Now, on the flip side of that, if you hang around B players, then your production actually decreases by 30%. 30%. So, elite performers, 15% increase of production. B players, 30% decrease. And the best you can do is 70% of your potential just because you're hanging around the wrong crowd, right? So, how do you get around elite performers? In Home Business Academy, in the HB Premium Traffic and Conversions product, you get access to two elite performers. These are seven-figure marketers who literally show up every day, Monday through Friday, and show you in real time exactly what they do to grow their business in real time. You're able to ask questions. They'll even critique your work. So, like if you want to bring your work to them, they will critique it and and give you feedback about what you're doing. Now, I don't know about you, but I have never seen anything where the founders of the company do this, and they've been doing this nearly for 3 years now, Monday through Friday, showing up, showing what they do to grow their business in real time. Uh, so if you were to get access to something like this elsewhere, and I've heard many people say it's not just me, you'd be paying thousands of dollars, okay, to get access. They do it every day, and the reason they do it every day is because they really want to see you achieve freedom. See, they're not really money motivated, they're more about helping others become free. That's what they're all about. That's why they created this community, these products. It's all designed to help you create freedom in your life. So I don't want to make this too long. I just will go over the steps of how you can get access to 2 full weeks of this type of training. You also get access to the whole entire product suite. So you're going to get access to everything you see here. Get ready pre-traffic, all the training on how to get traffic right here. You get free traffic training. You get traffic conversions, getting sales. You get the Emerson Magic Content Machine, which is AI, which helps you create YouTube titles, writes emails for you. You can ask it questions. I mean, pretty much anything you want it to do, it can do. That's been added in there as well. And there's also some other types of coaching you get as well. I actually have done a full and complete rundown of what you get in this right here, this HBA product review. I've done a full rundown on that, so you can definitely check that out. I do not want to take too long in this video, but just understand there's a lot of value here. They continue to add more value. One of the things that they believe in is they believe in giving more value than you pay for. And another thing is they don't believe in making new products to sell. So the products, we have 3 products. Again, you can go back to the other video I just showed you. Uh, and those products are here to stay. And all they're going to do is keep adding more value to the products and not raising the price. Is that incredible or what? How many businesses do that? I don't know too many. Most raise the price. They create other products, they raise the price. They don't believe in that. They believe in offering more and more value. So depending on when you get started, your product is probably going to look a little different because they're going to add more and more. I know when I started, they were literally just getting started. I've been doing this for almost 3 years. They were just getting started with the traffic and conversions. It was actually called something different at that time. It was called, I believe it was called Connect and Convert. And it was all about messaging in Facebook. And what they would literally do is go open up their Facebook and start messaging their friends on Facebook and show you in real time exactly what they were saying, how they were saying it. And they were making sales right in front of us. And I was like, wow, they're like making sales doing this. So right in front of us, this is super value. And that's how I kind of took off because I saw the value in that and how so many people needed to see how this works. And since then, it's kind of morphed. Now it's more um, kind of a combination of a lot of different types of marketing. So you got short videos, long videos. I mean, they record them right in front of you. So you could see exactly how they do it, how they do the description. They write emails in front of you. You name it, they do it. Create funnels, capture pages. I mean, you name it, it happens on this coaching right here, TNC Action Mastermind. So this is always going on Monday through Friday. So let me go ahead and show you how you're going to get access. So on my video, if you click the link right below, you're going to come to this page here. You want to enter your details, your name, your email, click the orange box, the orange box, and that's going to bring you to, let's see, is this the right page? This page here. It's going to bring you to this page. Then what you want to do, I mean, obviously you can go through and look at it and everything. You can click on the green button. Click on the green button, it's going to take you to the next page, which is this. You're going to fill in your details. And then at the bottom here, this big yellow box, you want to come down and check that box. So what's that going to do? That's going to give you everything I showed you right here. The coaching, like I said, you get 2 weeks coaching free. Free 2 weeks coaching from Seven Figure Marketers plus all this extra training, recorded training, all there for you. So how does this work? It's very simple. All you're going to have out of your pocket today when you decide to get started is just $25. And no, you're not just paying for air or anything like that. You're actually paying for a product, uh, the all-in-one digital business, which is essentially the funnel builder, but there are extras you get as well, which you could actually go through and read all about them right down here on this page. So if you want to take the time and see everything you're getting for $25, definitely check it out. I'm going to say this about the funnel builder. This is a very powerful tool. It does everything you need it to do. It will build capture pages for you, sales pages, membership sites, uh, what else? Shop pages. This little $25 funnel builder rivals a $300 a month funnel builder. Okay. It does everything you need it to do. In fact, their whole membership site, their whole site, everything on here you see was built off this little $25 funnel builder. I want to share another example about this amazing thing, this funnel builder. Um, I've seen people that have created funnels, complete systems off of this funnel builder, and they're using it to promote another business, and their business is growing like wildfire because of the value they've been able to give to their new members. So they're able to give them funnels. They're able to put a whole system together. They're able to create a membership site complete with step-by-step training, all with this little $25 funnel builder. So you're definitely not getting air for 25 bucks. 25 bucks to get access to coaching for 2 weeks by two seven-figure marketers that are going to critique your work if you want them to. They're going to show you in real time exactly what they're doing to grow their business, to answer your questions whenever you have questions. My opinion, that's worth way more than 25 bucks. Again, though, you're getting it for free. Um, all you got to do is check the box. Click that green button. you're good to go. Now understand, after 2 weeks, you will be billed 125. All products here pay 80% commissions if you choose to be an affiliate. It does not cost you anything extra to be an affiliate. It is completely optional. You can use these products to grow any business you want, online, offline. It doesn't matter. If you don't want to promote this, you don't have to promote this. There is that option though. They pay 80%. So on 80%, that would be $100 residual commission. On the 25, it would be 20. And then they do have another product. I'm not going to go into that right now. But that's a one-time payment on that one. So that's all I got. I hope you got value. I hope you see the value of getting around elite performers, getting around seven-figure marketers that are going to show you exactly what to do to grow any business you choose. And with that, make it a great day. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you on the next one.